In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn all names into uppercase in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to change the names. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the names are placed in cells A1 through A5, keeping your original data in one column and placing the updated version in another column is a simple way to stay organized and avoid accidentally overwriting anything. Now move over to cell B1 and type the heading Uppercase Name. This label helps identify the new column where the converted names will appear. After that, click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that tells Excel to convert the text to all capital letters. In cell B2, type an equal sign, followed by the word upper, then an opening parenthesis, the cell reference A2, and finally a closing parenthesis. The complete formula should read equals upper, open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis. Once you've entered it, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, Excel will display the name from cell A2 in all uppercase letters. For example, if the original name is Olivia Brown, the result will appear as Olivia Brown. This happens because the upper function is designed to convert every letter in a text string to uppercase automatically. It's a quick and reliable way to standardize names, especially when you're working with lists that need consistent formatting. Once you've confirmed that the first result looks correct, you can apply the same formula to the rest of the names in your list. Click back on cell B2 so it's selected. Then look at the bottom right corner of the cell for the small square known as the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle downward until you reach cell B5. When you do this, Excel copies the formula into the cells below and automatically adjusts the cell references for each row. That means each name in column A will be converted into uppercase in column B without you having to type the formula again and again. This is one of the easiest ways to save time when working with repeated formatting tasks in Excel. And that's it. You've successfully turned all the names into uppercase in Excel using the upper function.